The Force. The Force is what gives a Jedi his power. It's an energy field created by all living things. It surrounds us, penetrates us, it binds the galaxy together. May the Force be with you. Combat training has begun. Feel the Force around you. I sense a disturbance in the Force. You have found a hologram. True fire, all remains to be discovered.
The Real Avid 1911 Smart Wrench is a case of the perfect name. Every smart 1911 owner and shooter will have this tool with them at all times. It's way better than the cheapo plastic number that comes with your gun. The Real Avid 1911 Smart Wrench is purpose-built from engineering resin that's ultra tough, yet can never scratch your gun. The grip is large enough to provide the torque you may need to make the delicate disassembly and reassembly work easier. Best of all, the innovative design prevents parts from flying, never to be seen again. Not much bigger than a silver dollar, the Real Avid 1911 Smart Wrench covers both government and officers' 1911 models.
Color is everywhere. We all see items that inspire, but how do we get that perfect match in a paint color? Introducing Color Muse. Color matching made easy. Scan a color. Find the exact product match for paint, flooring, textile, apparel, accessories, and more. Match any color, anytime, anywhere, instantly. The Color Muse system works with your smart device. It's perfect for consumers, DIYers, contractors, and interior designers. Color your muse. Muse your color. Visit colormuse.io.
This is not the future I was promised. Wi-Fi routers are dumb machines, and they make us act like dumb people.
Have you tried unplugging it for 30 seconds?
Yes, we unplugged it. These machines worked just fine a decade ago when I only had one computer. But now my house has more connected devices than I can even count. I want a modern Wi-Fi network that's reliable and consistent wherever I am in the house. A network that's fast and secure. A network that keeps kids like my nephew out of harm's way. Enter Luma, an intelligent Wi-Fi system that actually delivers on the promise of fast, reliable internet. It surrounds you with Wi-Fi using technology that was previously only available to large companies. You put one here, another one there. Immediately you're up and running. We call it Surround Wi-Fi. Luma's smart enough to know things like what devices you're using, what networks are interfering, and where potential problem spots are. So it can make smart decisions to get you the fastest data everywhere. And of course, no network should be without a good security system. I can easily grant people access to my network, and just as easily revoke it. And speaking of that, I can rest easy knowing that Luma has modern parental controls, so I can limit the kid to G-level websites and monitor to make sure he's not up to any shenanigans. I can even set time limits or pause the internet, like during dinner time.
Yay, awesome.
Here, go plug this in. I love you. Speed, safety, security. This is the future I was promised. This is Luma.